grab 2 tennis ball size balls. If you have a lacrosse ball, a myofascial release ball, that's great too. The more firm the ball, the more intense the stretch. So if you want to start with a tennis ball, that's a really great place to be. We're going to place these 2 balls, one on each side of the sacrum. Where the sacrum bone comes to meet the tailbone, on the sides of the sacrum is where we're going to put the ball. Sit up nice and tall, roll back down, knees are bent, lift your hips up, place the balls underneath, find the sides of the sacrum, wherever it feels like there's a little bit of tension or tenderness, release your hands. Take a nice inhale as the legs open. Exhale, draw the knees together, feel the waist draw in towards center. Inhale, this time think about lengthening through the tailbone, widening through the sit bones, and exhale, waist draws in towards center. Inhale, open the knees, and exhale, maintaining that neutral spine position through this exercise. Exhale, close and squeeze. Inhale, open, and exhale, close and squeeze. If you want to move the balls around a little bit to find a different spot, that's great. On our next one, let's try opening one knee to the side and then back to center. Other knee and back to center. This time, place your hands on your pelvis and notice how your pelvis can stay level as you alternate side to side. Just let the leg fall and drop. As one knee drops, the opposite pelvis stays level, and then you come back to center. Using that stability breath, let's exhale the leg open, right pelvis stays down, and then back to center. Exhale, right leg opens, left hand stays down, and back to center. Exhale, left knee opens, falls open. Just let it release, let it go, and then back to center. Exhale, right leg drops and releases. Left pelvis stays center. And left side. And back to center. Come back to both legs, falling and opening. Big deep breath. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, open. Releasing, exhale, activating. Back to center. 2 more. Inhale, open. And exhale, back to center. Inhale, open. And exhale, back to center. Reach down, lift the hips, release back down. Exhale to flatten your back onto the mat. Inhale to release.